today. They are our second parents and our role models. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. It is a privilege to welcome all our teachers today on this special occasion.